Hey guys, hope you're doing good and I hope you're tuning to the right frequency. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own binaural beats. So what is a binaural beat? A binaural beat is actually something that your brain creates when it hears one tone, one frequency in one side, one ear, and another frequency in another side of the ear. And the difference between the two creates the binaural beat. That's the perception of your brain of the difference between the two frequencies. So in order to hear the binaural beats, you need headphones, okay? And this is how you do it. So you can do it for free, you can do it pretty easy, just to show you the basic idea behind the concept. So over here, we have a free online tone generator over here. You can go to this website up here and find it. And so um, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna We can set the first frequency to 440 hertz. As you may or may not know, that's the standard frequency of tuning when they tune note A to 440. So we'll just keep it simple and we'll leave it as 440 for now, okay? You can listen to it. That's what it sounds like. That's A tuned to 440 standard frequency. And so what you're going to do is you're actually going to set this frequency only to the left or the right side. So you're going to click this button right here, and then you're going to pan it all the way. Let's pan it all the way to the left. So the left is going to be at 100% and right's going to be 0. So the sound, this frequency, only going to be coming out from one side, okay? One side of the speakers in a stereo speakers. Remember, use your headphones to really hear that difference. The next step you're going to do is you're going to open same page, same website, except, so this is a new one. You're going to change the frequency. Let's change it to 432, okay? And then we're going to change the pan to the right, all the way to the right. So now you see the right is 100%. We're going to test it. So now it's only coming out from the right side of the speaker at 432 hertz, okay? So here's the deal. When you play both sounds together, okay, so I'm going to play one at a time, and then I'm going to go back to the other frequency. Where did it go? Uh-oh, okay. So, whoops, that's not the one. Okay, so we're going to play this one now, okay? That's the first one at 440 that we did. So we're playing this together now. You hear that vibrational sound? Okay. So when you're using headphones and you have to use headphones to hear the binaural beat, your brain will perceive the difference between 440 and 432. So 440 minus 432 is 8. So that means the binaural beat is 8 hertz. Okay, so that's a pretty good frequency, 8 hertz. You know, if you study brain waves and brain entrainment, stuff like that, 8 hertz is alpha state, which is a meditative, creative state. Not sleeping, but not like fully awake and doing all kinds of work, okay? This is the meditation state that is so beneficial if you're trying to study or relax, or maybe you have writer's block and you're trying to get creative ideas and you're trying. So basically what this difference will do, um, it will set your brain into the 8 hertz frequency. It would lower it. It's not going to happen right away. So I would listen to it, for quite a while. It can be in the background, but at least this is a um, pure tone, pure binaural beat of 8 hertz. There's nothing else happening. When I looked at a lot of the binaural beats, what they claim. There's always like other things happening. Maybe they're playing some kind of music in the background or whatever, but at least, you know that this is the 8 hertz. You can change it too. You know, you want to make it 10, increase you just increase this number, for example, to 442, and that's going to be 10 hertz difference between 442 and 432. So that's a 10 hertz difference in the binaural beat frequency. You can lower it to, let's say you want to go into like, you know, delta mode, which is pretty low when it comes to brain entrainment. Let's say you wanted to do it like 4 hertz. So 432 plus 4 is 436. So this is your 4 hertz binaural beats frequency. Let's say you want to go deeper in the delta sleep, you know, you can go to 2 hertz. You just want that delta brainwave, which is 2 hertz. It's a longer frequency of 2 hertz, yeah, 2 cycles per minute. So it's slowing down the 2 hertz versus the 8 hertz. That's already a difference, right? So right now it's actually, let's see. So this is the 2 hertz, 434 minus 432. That's 2 hertz. So there you have it, you guys. You can play around with this. You use it as a tool, use it to get ideas. Obviously, if you have software that can generate tones, you can apply these principles. You can apply these principles to your craft, to your research, to your music, or to your life. So I think it's pretty cool. I've been wanting to do this video for a really long time. I'm sorry it took a really long time for me to post another video, but I hope you get some valuable insight from this. And the best part is you have full control. You have full control over the frequency. And now that you have the idea, let me know what you think about it. Let me know how it makes you feel. And yeah, any comments, anything else appreciated. I try to answer things. I will try to answer things as much as possible. But I'm not superhuman, but I try to be. So God bless you, and I hope you're tuning to the right frequency in life. And all the best to you. Keep rocking.